11 Grilled nut butter and banana sandwich. We all know that we want to stick to the healthiest kind of red lights, such as the nut butter found in this quick breakfast. Ingredients: cooking spray, 1 tablespoon nut butter, light spread, 2 slices whole wheat bread, change out for rice cakes if desired, 1 banana, slice. Directions: 1. Heat pan over medium heat, and coat with cooking spray. 2. Spread 1/2 tablespoon of nut butter onto one side of each slice of bread. Place banana slices onto the nut buttered side of one slice, top with the other slice of bread and press together firmly. 3. Cook sandwich until golden brown on each side, about 2 minutes per side. 1 sandwich equals 2 yellow lights, 1 green light, 1 red light. Use this recipe as a lunch option and add some green light veggies like carrots, celery with low-fat ranch to round out the meal. Recipe serves 1 mains. These recipes can be made for lunch or dinner. You can also make any of these dishes when you have free time over the weekend and keep them refrigerated for healthy meals all week. 13 Veggie rice bowl. Sometimes simple is the most satisfying, and this rice bowl is no exception. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked brown or white rice, 1 can chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 cup cabbage, thinly sliced, 2 large carrots, shredded, 1 large cucumber, sliced, 1 onions, diced, 2 avocado slices, optional, fresh herbs, chopped cilantro, basil, parsley, mint, tahini dressing, makes enough for a lot of bowls. 1/2 cup tahini, 1 small Persian cucumber diced or 1/2 medium cucumber, 1/4 cup water, juice of 1/2 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: 1. Place 1 fist of rice in the bottom of the bowl. Arrange toppings around the bowl. Drizzle with dressing and enjoy. Grate with a side of soup and fruit salad. 1 serving equals 2 yellow, 2 green. Recipe serves for 14 taco salad bowl. Who doesn't love tacos? Instead of putting it in a taco shell, just heat it as a bowl. Ingredients: 1 head of lettuce, shredded, 2 cups cooked brown or white rice, 1 bell peppers, sliced, 1 onions, sliced, 1 can black beans, rinsed.